Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks so much for subscribing. If you're new here, welcome, and be sure to subscribe to this channel to follow me on more DIY adventures, home decorating, and organizing projects. I'm excited today to get to show you the remodel I did on this 1952 vintage camper I purchased. I did this project a while back, but I'm just now finding the time during quarantine to put it all together and get to share the process with you guys. I was at Dallas Market with my mom shopping for new inventory for the shop when this vintage camper popped up in my newsfeed on Facebook. I wasn't in the market for a camper or looking for a camper, but as soon as I saw it pop up in my newsfeed, I knew I just had to have it. Inside, the cabinets and shelving were all in great shape, so that was great. For my needs, the sink offered very little function for the amount of space that it consumed, so I knew right away I'd be removing the sink to make more space. Hidden under the sink is the wheel well, and on the adjacent side was an open closet, and the wheel well was hidden in a cabinet below it. It had been customized to function as a pop-up clothing boutique, and the owner no longer needed it. I didn't necessarily have a need for it myself, but that wasn't going to stop me from owning it. We began by removing the sink and the cabinet surrounding it, then removed the flooring. We found mold from water seeping inside when it rained, and we remediated it. Once the flooring was out, I gave the camper a head-to-toe deep cleaning. I installed an inexpensive, thin vinyl, snap-together style flooring. There was no contemplating what my color palette would be. Teal and pink are always my go-to for happy colors. As with any DIY project I get the whole family involved. The kitchen sink had sheets of decorative metal attached to the walls. I removed it, and since the surface was not smooth and wasn't going to be an easy painter, I installed thin wood boards and painted them bright pink instead. We built a wood box around the wheel well for a clean finished look. My dad and my husband built a sturdy twin-size frame across the back of the camper that also created valuable storage space below it. My husband isn't a fan of pictures, clearly. Naturally, my favorite part of the project, honestly, was creating the space that everyone told me wasn't possible. I built layering pieces of wood hinged together that would collapse when not in use and serve as seating, and when stretched out would extend over the wheel well on the other side and allow for an air mattress to lay on top of it and become the second twin-size sleeping area. A sturdy wood block serves as the support under the wood extensions whenever they're folded out, and it tucks away next to the bench when not in use. The eating area was in great shape and has storage under the seats that I love. I took the seats to a local upholstery shop and had them recovered to match my design. To break up the bright colors, I wanted black and white bedding and accents to give it a fun, balanced theme. All of the curtains and fabrics were handmade by Be So Sweet. She did an amazing job, and I could not have been happier with her creations. I will put a link to her Facebook page in the description below. On the bed, I combined all of my favorite fun pillows, and Be So Sweet even made a few of those for me as well. Where the open closet area was, I installed a paper towel dispenser and a hand sanitizer station. I didn't really need a fridge because a cooler would serve all the needs I would have over the course of a weekend and would be less maintenance, so that's what I went with. I'm in Texas, so a portable AC was a necessity too. I wanted a simple curtain to hide everything when not in use. I worked on the camper in my spare time, around work and my normal family activities, and it took about a month and a half to finish it. This was my happiest moment of the project when I was able to show everyone that indeed I did turn the sink into a twin-size bed. Well guys, that is the end of the vintage camper remodel. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about the camper or the project, please comment below. I'd be happy to answer for you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you can see my upcoming DIY project that I've been keeping a secret for a very long time. It is coming very, very soon. If you haven't checked out my online home decor store, be sure to visit shoplegacydecor.com, and you can use promo code HOME15 for 15% off your purchase. See you next time.